We're mainly geared towards building specialty machines and design and build. We have 17 Hurcos. We go from medical to automotive to the battery industry down to just helping a local business out that just needs maybe one or two parts modified. Everything is done conversational. We do have some 3D parts that we will use a CAM software with. It's one of those things where as Hurco keeps progressing with their surfacing technology, that we're hoping to go away from having a third-party CAM system in-house and just being able to stick strictly with Hurco conversational programming. Probably takes 30% of the time to program compared to NC programming with G&M code. It's very easy to check your program with the graphics screen and make sure everything's right the first time before you hit the go button. You don't have to go to a separate computer to do it. You don't have to walk away from your machine. Everything is right there that you need. When you can, you will run two machines. It's a home run because you can really check that program out, hit the start button, and walk away from it and understand that that's going to do exactly what you want it to do. We had a lot of parts that were ran on the TMM8, then they would go to multiple operations on the mill and then to a manual broaching operation. And with the MYS, we've taken some parts that it was actually about an hour and a half to, we run some of those parts now in 8 minutes. It really helps with quality doing everything in one setup. Takes a lot of human error out of it. So we have a 5-axis water jet, and about 60% of our material will flow across that work area first, just to get the initial shape of something. If it's specialty machining, it's going to come into what you see behind me. These guys that work on this side are best in the field. And then if you go over to the east side, that's more of a learning ground for us.
There's still so much to this machine I don't know, and that's also still the fun of it, is I'm still learning. Even guys that's been here for 20 years, I'm sure they'll say the same thing. They're still learning. Every day is different. Some days I might be working on aluminum, other days I might on steel or plastic.
It's just a daily challenge. It's the things that you come in and you know that you have maybe a couple special jobs coming up and it's going to take some good teamwork and collaboration. It's that challenge of something new every day, it seems like.